Hello, I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na still Hope Azinuchi Azeru Oziri. We still dey talk about you and the police. This one na episode 2 of you and the police. As you dey watch too, make you try dey share am, make other people dey learn for free, dey jollificate as you dey jollificate. Today we go talk about arrest. And the law wey we go take talk about this police arrest na Nigeria Police Act wey dem sama give us for 2020. Section 32 of this act talk say make police no arrest anybody because of say you commit civil wrong or sake of say you breach contract. Wetin this one mean? Police no get right to arrest you because say you and person enter contract, you come breach the contract. Because wetin dey happen for Nigeria be say you and person do business, as you breach the business, the person go bring police arrest you. No, e dey against the law. E dey against the law wey establish the police people. E dey against the law wey born police. So if you and person get business, the person breach am, you go court. You go court, sue the person for breach of contract. You no need to involve police because police no get any right. Police no get any right for that matter. Another thing again on arrest be say if police come arrest you, police get right to touch your body or hold your body, except where as police come arrest you, you use your mouth tell them say, okay, I don hear una, I go follow una go station. Or by your action, as dem come arrest you, go just follow them dey go. But where dem come arrest you, you no gree follow them, and you no even tell them, use some kind word wey go talk, wey go show say you wan follow them. Police get right to touch you sake of say dem wan carry you go police station. You wey dey watch this video, try when you watch finish, try share so that other people too go watch, learn for free as you dey learn. Thank you.